Got a new hair dryer, took a shower, pinned up my hair. We're gonna see how well it works. I have not used it yet, so. Initial impression, it's really small. I don't know what that means. This is my timer. We hit start. Oh, it has something on the back. Oh, I got it. Oh, higher or lower? Oh, see? Hold it down, maybe? Oh, there we go. Okay, now fine. Let's check it. It's dry, y'all. Literally took me less than 4 minutes with wet hair. It has one of these. Oops. It has one of these. Oh, it's magnetic. That's fancy. And then has a diffuser, which I don't have curly hair, but that was wild. Less than 4 minutes. Look how compact it is too. With it has a little strappy, so you can wrap it up. A little strappy, okay, and a bag. I mean, look at that. Can you beat that?